Yo, what's going on, guys? Sorry for the Saturday morning, later video. Still just want to go over what happened yesterday. Obviously, we had a big bullish day, even on bad data. What does that show you? Shows you price moves towards liquidity, and news is just used to take it, one way and then go the other. You see, beginning of the week, we wanted this low. We wanted at least this low. We thought maybe we could get this low, but you can see we kind of left those daily equal lows down here. So I think these will be a target in the future. But you see, low of the week was on Wednesday. A lot of bears were excited here, thinking, "Oh, we're going down, down." Well, no, we're just going after liquidity. See what happens? We take this. We kind of left this, so like I said, I think we do come back at a later date for that. But you see, this right here swept us liquidity, was low of the week here on Wednesday, and then kind of just going up, taking liquidity up here, came back down. But it's amazing how. Remember, I kind of talked about on Wednesday or Thursday how the market will come back and refill FVGs before moving higher. That's exactly what they used NFP for today, or yesterday. I'm sorry, but here was Thursday. Remember, we got that nice little dump in the morning, and then boom, hourly FVG back to this high, and then and then and then went overnight, kind of chop, 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 and then NFP. Oh, bad data. Market's gonna crash. No, we just left in a unfilled hourly FVG sitting down here, and you see that's exactly where we lifted off from. Remember, I kind of showed you guys in chat. I was like, this is the last stand for NQ. If this doesn't hold, uh, obviously we're going on to these daily equal lows down here, and look at that, she held. So if you went down to a smaller time frame, just for fun, you see there's a lot of entries here. See, there was if just going out to the 1 minute chart, there was even in entry on the 30 second, but you could have longed this 1 minute FVG and you had low of day here. You could rode this bad boy all the way up to that 15 150. So remember also beginning of the week, I was calling for 15 150 on NQ. I thought for sure we would at least see 15 160 or 15.060, sorry, just because it would be the top of this nice little algorithmic downtrend on the hourly. You see how we ended up once we got above that, it was just straight shot. We had no pullback from here, so it told us our next level was this daily FEG and this daily volume imbalance sitting here. So you see how price moves from imbalance to imbalance now. Uh, as well as we wanted Jolt's data high up at this 970 level. You see, this was from Jolt's data on Tuesday. You see, we ended up taking that out as well, and these were his pullbacks to fill in these hourly FEGs. So you see, take a new high, come down, boom, 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 fill this, come back up, take all this high, and take this liquidity. So now we have taken a lot of liquidity to the upside, and so now I would expect maybe some kind of bearish move back down to maybe fill in some imbalances that we left on Friday before a move higher. Obviously, if we invalidate those, we're coming back down for these daily equal lows down here that I'm paying attention to. So another thing that told us price was going to move higher. Remember on what was it? It was Wednesday. We closed over this 4-hour inverse. You notice how we never closed back under it. We closed above, retested it. Yeah, we wicked below it. We never closed below it, telling us price wanted to move higher on the higher time frame. So we knew we probably could expect 1560, which was this obvious high here with the downtrend, and then anything extra would put us up in this daily FEG. And then you can see it's also we're now in the middle of the weekly FVG, just as expected, beginning of this week. So another thing to note, I think it is possible we can crawl up a little more Monday, maybe up to like the CE of it, like 15207, and then maybe reject from there. But we do not have to. So any kind of like down move now would be confirmed if you see how we tapped it. We have not obviously gotten above it. If we get above it, we're off to the races. But uh, going into Sunday night, Monday, this will be the big hourly FVG I'll be watching. If we close back below this, they probably all. If we close below this, we're obviously going to retest this hourly. If we close back below this hourly, it's a no doubt price once these daily equal lows down here at 14,586. So just because we've hit this this higher time frame target, going to be a little 50-50 going into next week, but we'll have to see what happens when we come down. These hourly FEGs will tell us exactly where price wants to go to next. So with that, we'll check out ES real quick. ES still did not get up to this daily FEG. We'll draw it out here, but it obviously does not have to. However, it did take out a bunch of liquidity from the downside, but I could see a little more bullishness in ES as well, which would also bring up NQ maybe to that CE of that weekly fair value gap. You do see we did kind of reject this order block here on the daily. This may not matter. It's just really gonna depend going into Sunday, Monday, because if you look at ES still has this nice algorithmic downtrend on the hourly sitting right here, which could bring us up to what was it, 43.71, and then 43.71. A little bit more higher than that would put us 4,400, which is the daily FEG that's sitting up here. So that's what I'm looking for on both. And then ES has pretty much the same hourlies that NQ does. This will be one to watch, see if we show any respect for this. If we come down and show respect for this, maybe we get something like down, and then we come up and test that daily FVG at 4,400. That's possible. Or if we slice, if we just come down and slice through it, this turns into an inverse, retest it. We either bounce from this tiny one, or we're going back to those 42.35 hourly equal lows that are sitting right here. So that's what I'm looking at going into Sunday, Monday. Hope you guys have a good rest of your weekend. Didn't get a video out last night. Kind of stepped away from the charts after the good morning. Didn't want to give anything back. Just practicing good discipline. Hope you guys did too. Hope you guys had a good week, and let's do it again next week.